My Jeep update about the Bushings red ones, energy suspension. They will be installed in the rear, left and right. And the Dorman, that's the black bushings, ones that are slightly bigger, they will be installed front, left and right.
And good morning, my Jeep update. Had some parts come in for the Expedition, and it's Thursday, I believe it's the 31st. Okay, as you can see, there's some difference in these bushings. These are Dorman, and these red ones are energy suspension. Now, according to the information, they will fit. As you can see, these Dorman are thicker. Now, what'll tell me what's going to fit and what's not going to fit is when I pull the old ones off. Now, if they all fit, now I know there's a slight difference in size on these, on the red ones. What I'm going to attempt to do is put these on the front, one on each side, and put these on the rear, one on each side. And I may have to get some additional bushings, but I can send these back, return them if they're not the proper fit. So that's just a quick update on some of the parts I got coming in, because I'm going to get on this, get these bushings fixed on my Expedition, because I don't want no damage done under there. My Jeep out. Okay, here is the passenger side front, and if you look, the bottom portion of that bushing is just about gone. So that's definite gonna have to be changed out. Now, let's go back here to the rear. There you go, you see that? That one's completely disintegrated. Okay, so this is probably where most of the noise is coming from right now. Not sure. I think there's another one back there. I know there's one in the rear, but I'm not sure how far back. I think it's right in there somewhere. I'm going to go back and look. Yeah, here's the one in the rear. Again, you can't see much of it, and I'm having a hard time holding the camera and the flashlight, but that bushing is deteriorated too. Okay, what that means is I got to order 2 more sets. One for here and one for over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on that. And the way you do this is one side at a time. You gotta loosen them all up and jack the body up 3-4 inches above the frame to get these things out, get the thing out on the top. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna be working on. So I'm gonna order 2 more and go from there. My Jeep out.
Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next My Jeep update. Thank you.